weird.
How you doing, guys? Welcome back to another video. And if you're wondering why I'm whispering, it's because today's video is gonna be ASMR. You may be acting quiet because I want you guys to get the full experience of the Shellcat. So today, we're not gonna do much talking. We're not gonna do much editing. We're just gonna drive. It's snowing kinda. Well, it's not snowing anymore. The snow already fell down. Some of it melted. So I believe the roads are pretty all right. You ain't gotta worry about nothing. I want to give y'all a fresh cold start. It's been sitting here for almost a day and a half. It probably sounds amazing. So I'm gonna set you guys up behind here. Before we get this video started, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you haven't made your way to the shop to buy you some Chop Shop, go ahead and do so. Time to wake up the neighborhood. Go ahead and wake up, guys. Nice, beautiful morning. Good morning. Gotta make this light. Oh, we made it. Tow truck move faster than you, blood. I think somebody racing him. He finna bore that bitch up.
Welcome to Tom Horton. How can I help you?
Hello. Can I do a
I can hardly hear you. Yeah, go ahead.
Can I do a matcha latte?
Hot or ice? 1344.
Okay, thank you.
My voice, called Buffalo.
Okay, thank you.
We kept you waiting, yeah.
Thank you so much. All right, boys, so we started on a half tank and we ended on low, man. I hope y'all enjoyed that little POV drive, man, for the day. We got us some breakfast. We at Buffex right now. We finna film a whole entire video for you guys. This video will obviously come before that, so y'all gonna see this video, but he gave us a free muffin for making us wait. I was waiting there for like literally like 15 minutes. I just wanted to give you guys like a POV drive to extensify like the qualities of this car that I like so much, and that is like the sound and the ability to be able to do just about everything any other Mopar. Oh, my nothing. I'm holding everything, but yeah. So, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. If y'all haven't already, man, but this car can do whatever the fuck I tell it to do. You hear me? But it's windy as shit out here, and I can't really talk. So make sure y'all go cop the chop shop, man. I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
She got me speeding in this NASCAR.